Did you know the richest man in Roman history died by having molten gold poured down his throat? Marcus Crassus was so wealthy he could buy entire nations. But how did he get this rich? He ran a twisted business, a private fire brigade that would watch your house burn until you sold it to him for almost nothing. Only then would his men put out the flames. But Crassus wanted more than money. He craved military glory like his rivals Caesar and Pompey. So he invaded Parthia with 7 legions, dreaming of easy conquest. It became a nightmare. At the Battle of Carrhae, 20,000 Romans died in the desert. Crassus himself was captured alive. The Parthians knew about his legendary greed, so they gave him what he always wanted: gold. They melted it down and forced the molten metal down his throat, mocking his endless hunger for wealth. But the humiliation didn't end there. They cut off his head and used it as a stage prop in their theater, turning Rome's richest man into entertainment for their audiences.